Yakitori 日式串烧。That's why prepare the yakitori sauce.
Add 100 ml mirin, 100 ml soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a pot. Mix well, bring to boil, then turn to low heat and simmer for 5 minutes. Put aside, allow it to cool before storing in a clean container.
Next, we marinate the quail eggs.
Boil the quail eggs for 4 minutes, then drain in a bowl of cold water. Peel eggshells and place in container. Add a few spoonfuls of yakitori sauce. Stir to make sure all eggs are coated with sauce. Let it marinate for at least 1 hour.
Time for the skewers.
Soak skewers in water for an hour before use. Cut pork belly and chicken into 2 to 2.5 centimeters chunks. Marinate pork with ginger to remove meaty smell. Marinate chicken with salt and pepper. Cut leek into 2 to 2.5 centimeters chunks. Add the ingredients on each skewer. 3 to 4 pieces of meat per skewer. Alternate pieces of meat with leek. Three quail eggs per skewer. These don't need to be reheated.
Let's start cooking.
Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in pan. Place skewers and cook on medium-high heat for 3 minutes. Flake the skewers. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of yakitori sauce on each skewer and cook for a minute. Flake the skewers. Cover and cook on low heat for 2 minutes. Then, cook on high for a minute until the sauce thickens. Keep flipping to ensure the skewers are coated with sauce. Repeat steps for the rest of the skewers. Serve with rice or enjoy together with ice cold drink.